Sketchy, bud. Welcome to the vlog.
No, peach cranberry.
Ready to get to work, bud?
Are you ready to shotgun one of these?
Oh my god.
Hey, the stallion looking good though. And I'm not talking about Sawyer. Check it out, guys. The 240 is finally off the trailer. It's literally been on this trailer for weeks. Brady's here, Sawyer's here. We moved Don's hatch. Here's my little bucket. And today we are finally going to do the wire tuck on the front, which I'm pretty excited about because if you watched the last video, there is like a ton of just gross zip ties and just janky ways of holding everything up, which we had to do at the track because I just wasn't done with mounting everything up for the tube front. This harness right here, which runs from the driver's side all the way through, across, and then it just ends up in this huge rat's nest of wires and fuse box. In today's video, what we're gonna do is tuck all of that under my dash. Basically, the first thing to do is to go ahead and cut all the zip ties that are holding this up, take the fenders off and stuff, and then we should be able to pull the whole harness. Okay, so I got zip ties undone and whatnot, but we do have to take this bolt right in here. See that little box that it goes to? I'm not sure exactly what the box is or whatever, but it's like some sort of ECU of some kind, probably for like, I don't even know. So if you just take the bolt out, you can kind of finagle this thing to just, yep, just like that. Bam. And then you just feed it in through here like that. Pull it out from here. Bam. And then obviously we'll have to plug this back in and bolt it back up from the inside once we tuck everything in under the dash. So we just need to undo this little mess of power wires. I did buy like a little power wire splitter block thing that I'm going to use when we redo this, so it'll look a lot nicer. So this is our trackside power brick job that we had to do. Just touching live power wires here, no big deal. All right. So we got the harness fully undone and laid out. We're gonna start with pulling the dash out. It shouldn't be too bad because I've done it a few times now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. I hope the hydro's not in the way.
Oh god. Tired of my vlog, I'm coming into yours. Flip it upside down, bro.
Heyo!
Heyo!
It's a good thing you got tired of your vlog because I was stuck here too.
Big brain moves over here,
Right?
right?
Would have been stuck at that one screw forever. Out.
It's stuck on the boot.
Hold on.
How will you get over big stick?
Yeah, what about the big leverage stick?
You have big stick, it get in the way when you pull
Lock
up
up
fish.
wheels.
You go just straight up only?
Oh god.
You sound like you're having a hard time.
Oh god.
Camera, come in now.
I don't know.
Where is your hand?
I don't know.
Did you hear that?
Boost gauge isn't even connected. I don't even need a boost gauge for the next swap, so.
There you go.
Seems like it was much harder than last time.
Yeah, I feel like we didn't have the hydro in here last time or something.
You didn't have a hydro in there last time.
We could reference back to the video. Perfect! You're in a good spot, Don.
Right over Don's head.
You're in a good spot.
This is fine.
Oh god, this is fine. Woo, it's fine. We're back to missile car, boys.
She naked.
Alright guys, day 2 of wire tuck. Relocating, wire tuck relocating. I don't really know if this is called a wire tuck. I'm gonna title the video wire tuck, and then people are probably gonna tell me that it's not really a wire tuck. I don't know. This whole piece right here with the bolt that I already undid, this whole thing is a plug. This is the whole harness pretty much. So we'll be able to pull this out, and then we can go ahead and bring it in from that side, run it across, plug it back in, zip tie it all up, and run our wires. All right, so that's off. I think I can just kind of jimmy this thing out of here. Come on. Why are you not? Did I unplug the wrong thing or something? Oh man. All right, what's going on? What's happening? Come out, please. Come on. No, what the? What's happening over here? What am I pulling on? Isn't it this? Get out of the way, I can't see what I'm doing. Amateurs at work here. Welcome back to episode 2 of I don't know what the f is going on. I think I figured it out though. I think it's just, okay, did I? You know what, let me update you guys in a second. Bye. All right, well, yeah, so basically this harness, this plug right here is like all my switch panel wiring for ignition and like starter signal and stuff. So that is on the same harness. I should have realized that, duh. Now we're ready to pull this sucker through. Oh my God, is this box supposed to fit through here? Wow, that was honestly kind of a pain pulling it through. But it was really only because it was stuck on stuff from the inside. It actually fit through the hole pretty easily. Oh my God. Literally like sweating bullets right now. It's pretty hot out here. Wow, guys, look at this. I honestly just want to see how insane this whole harness looks. Wow, like, get out of here. Wow. These are all the zip ties I have. I never thought I'd see the day where my project comes to a halt because I'm out of zip ties. Okay. At the least, I'm gonna start pulling this in and just kind of mocking up, you know, kind of how it's gonna fit. And then I gotta go to the store and buy more zip ties because these little ones I don't think are gonna cut it. Oh, sorry guys. Cue time lapse. All right guys, well, check it out. Kind of got it all mocked up in here. I mean, super lightweight mocked up, like obviously it's still hanging. It's actually not that bad. Like there's gonna be a lot of work to do to zip tie it and extend the wires that I need to and get these fuse boxes somewhere that's like accessible and clean, but not too bad. But I am gonna leave that for another video because this video is already getting pretty long. So let's just leave this as the part 1 to the wire tuck of the 240, and then we'll do a part 2 where I actually go back in and do this nice and clean. Plus I need to go buy zip ties, I need electrical tape, I need some other stuff, so I gotta go to the store anyway. Look, if you made it to the end of this video and you were expecting me to tell you what the new engine swap was, I'm sorry, but I don't have any parts for it yet, and I just don't really know how I'm supposed to like reveal it. It's really not that big of a deal, I guess. I mean, it kind of is, because for me it's like, the engine I've wanted for super long, and I'm spending a lot of money on it. So for me, it is kind of a big deal, but I don't know, maybe let me finish this wire tuck series, and then we'll put a proper video together for the new engine when I actually have some of the parts. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in the next video when we finish that wire tuck. All right, peace.
Cross